Welcome to Pre-Algebra Summer Review number 13, the distributive property. Hopefully you did some distributive property in your 7th grade class last year. This is a property that you're going to use throughout pre-algebra, into Algebra 1, on to Algebra 2, geometry, pre-calculus, and calculus. It's an important property and it's very important to learn it and to learn it well. So if you pay attention to the video and ask me for help if you need it, this should be very simple for you. So what we're going to do, we have 3 times the quantity, the parentheses mean quantity, all right, x plus 2, or 3 times the sum of x plus 2, which would also mean it's in parentheses. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the number outside the parentheses, which is 3, and we're going to multiply it by everything inside the parentheses. So we're going to take 3 times x plus 3 times 2. So 3 times x is 3x, 3 times 2 is 6, so 3x plus 6. We cannot add the 3x and the 6 because they are not like terms. Like terms mean that they have the same variable, like this one has an x, this one is a constant, this one is a variable term. So 3x has a coefficient of 3 and a variable of x. So it's a variable term. The 6 is what we call a constant. So I cannot add those two together, so the answer is 3x plus 6. Let's take a look at number 2. Now on this one I do it a little bit differently because I've taught you all along that this subtraction makes this 4 a negative. So we're going to take 2 times x and 2 times negative 4. 2 times x is 2x, 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. So I would just write 2x minus 8. Let's look at the examples below. I think it will help. So number 3, we have 5 times the difference of x minus 4. So we're going to take 5 and multiply it by both terms inside the parentheses. So 5 times x is 5x, and 5 times, remember that this is a negative 4. This is a negative 4, not a positive 4. 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. So your answer is 5x minus 20. Number 4, we have 4 times the difference of x minus 6. So we're going to take 4 times x and 4 times, remember, negative 6. 4 times x is 4x, and 4 times negative 6 is negative 24. So our answer is 4x minus 24. Now, this is a very simple lesson on the distributive property. We're really going to get into it more as pre-algebra starts in the fall, but I think this will give you enough to go ahead and solve the problems on the back for your homework. So you have homework number 13, the distributive property. You have 4 problems, and I need you to solve all 4 problems. There's really not any work to show. If it helps you to show the arrows, that's fine. It is not necessary. So get those problems completed, bring them back to school with you in August.